सोफी जी यहाँ पे, सोफी जी इधर, सोफी जी, ओके, थैंक यू। सोफी इधर, सोफी जी, सोफी इधर, सोफी इधर, सोफी
Look here.
Guys, let's shift in.
Hi, congratulations. You're getting married.
Hello. Come. Yes. Hi. How are you? Good. How are you? Very good. Yes. Hi. Hi. How are you? So nice to meet you. Hi. Hi. Nice to meet you. Congratulations. I'm sure you're a good picture. Yes.
तुझे बंद झाली। बाइट का दो। हाँ बाइट एकदम, हाँ हाँ बाइट बाइट
बाइट कर दो, इधर जाओ, जा माइक लेके जाओ।
सवाल कौन पूछ रहा है? सब ओके, पूछो, सब लोग पूछो, चलो।
Sophie, you look gorgeous. What are you wearing today?
1 second.
रेडी, रोलिंग, एक्शन।
रुको 1 मिनट रुक जाओ।
मैं पकड़ लूँ, मैं कुछ करूँ? ओके, should I answer?
2 सेकंड वाला।
ओहो, आओ जी आओ।
एक मिनट बैठ जाए, एक काम कर,
नीचे बैठ और नीचे बैठ।
रेडी
और नीचे बैठ।
डन
और नीचे बैठ।
Okay.
So, hi Sophie, what are you wearing today?
Well, obviously I'm wearing an outfit by the lovely Amy Villamori. I'm here in her store. It's super pretty and I love this collaboration that's happening between Amy and Zevri Jewels right here from Meenakshi and Komal. उनकी collection बहुत खूबसूरत है. उनकी जो jewelry है, it's really exquisite, very pretty. Already doing so well and I love कि वो यहाँ पे launch कर रहे हैं Amy के साथ. So it's a really dynamic bunch of ladies who've done some beautiful work और उन्होंने सोचा कि मैं आज उनकी एक muse बन जाऊँ, so I'm very flattered.
Sophia, what's the base for like Amy as a designer?
But I think the clothes are really feminine, really pretty, really soft. When it comes to her Indian wear, लेकिन इनका जो Western wear भी है is really funky. She makes some really cool jackets, really cool logos, nice colors, and so yeah, I think a designer should always try and make a girl look pretty, and I feel pretty today.
As it's a festive collection, like what do you want to wear, or like what do you like to wear in festive?
फेस्टिव कलेक्शन मुझे समझ में नहीं आता इंडिया में, क्योंकि हमारा हर महीने कोई फेस्टिवल होता है, तो इट्स आई थिंक वी शुड हैव अ कंटिन्यूअस फेस्टिव कलेक्शन. पर हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स अभी जन्माष्टमी है, गणपति है, नवरात्रि है, दिवाली है, तो ऑल द गर्ल्स आर स्टॉकिंग अप फॉर क्लोथ्स ऑलरेडी, एंड सो या आई एम श्योर आई एम गोना फाइंड लॉट्स ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स हियर. आई नो आई एम नोन फॉर माई वेस्टर्न इमेज, लेकिन आप सबने मुझे देसी कपड़ों में काफ़ी ऑफन देखा है, एंड आई लव वेयरिंग साड़ीज एंड ऑल. I think my style mantra is always to just be confident and comfortable in what I'm wearing. मुझे बस लगता है कि आपके जो कपड़े हैं वो आपकी personality का एक extension है, तो I don't really use stylists very often. मैं हमेशा अपने आप को ही ज़्यादा style करती हूँ because I think you should show what you really are. And I don't know, मुझे अच्छे कपड़े पहनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I love beautiful jewelry. हमेशा आप देखेंगे I always wear maybe one statement piece. I'm never decked top to toe, and today I'm wearing these beautiful Chand Balis which are perfect for the festive season. So yeah, I think one pretty outfit, statement jewelry, bas ho gaya.
Which colors do you prefer when you choose an outfit?
I think I really love red and blue, but I also love pastel colors like pink. You see me in these kind of colors quite often. Or white तो देसी लड़कियों पे अच्छा ही लगता है. So yeah. Thank you.
Oh, lovely.
And Komal.
Hi,
So we're launching their stuff.
Lovely.
Today. Lavinia, join us now. Where's Archana?
No, she's Archana.
Yeah, look here, ma'am. All of you, this way.
Archana, come now.
Thank you. You're always so indulgent.
Corner.
No, he's taking my phone still.
Oh, Viral, Archana missed her.
Pretty.
Ma'am, you're little. And one for Lisa ji.
Thank you.
One.
So sweet he is.
Ma'am.
I'll tweet it. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Archana, come back in the front.
So करिश्मा आज के शाम के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे collection
Such a pleasure to be here for the launch, the new collection of Zevadi and Amy's new line. Very happy to be here. I think both their collections are very beautiful and very interesting. And now the season's starting, so I'm sure everybody's going to come and be out there shopping. So after I'm talking to you all, I'm going to go and take a round and see what I'm going to take back home.
As usual, you're looking very pretty.
No,
today.
thank
And,
you.
what are you wearing? Tell us
Well,
about
it's Amy's outfit. She will tell you a bit about it. Actually, she should be the one. Yeah.
So basically today Karishma is wearing a beautiful off-shoulder, something very classic, something that suits her amazingly contemporary persona, and I think she's looking so elegant, and she always prefers wearing these solid colors, and it's been such a pleasure dressing her today. Thank you, Karishma.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you so much.
Gym, Pilates or yoga, what do you personally prefer? Because you always look so young.
Oh my God. Well, I think I'll tell you what. Honestly, I feel the secret is that never go by fads and trends. Do what you believe in, and I think I'm very, in that sense, old-fashioned at heart. So I love yoga. Yeah.
And I must say that I think the beautiful necklace that I'm wearing also is very interesting tonight. And let's go see some more stuff now. Yeah?
But Karishma, your fans are also so eagerly waiting for you to just get a glimpse out of you in the movies.
Oh my God! अभी देखते हैं जब मन लगेगा तब करूँगी. Well, not right now. I think I'm quite busy with my home and kids and you know my endorsements and events and everything. But जब मेरा मन लगेगा, when I find the right script, you never know.
So even
Yeah.
China is gonna give us a good news. So would you like to share something on that too, please?
Well, I think it's a happy news for all of us out there, and we are also eagerly awaiting as a family. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, please. It's right next to the ball. I showed you. Some of the
This was the picture actually. No problem.
ये पार्टी है ना निक्की पार्टी है ना
Ouch, careful.
Yes, you must. You must. Shall we?
Yeah, it's a visual. Once again.
Yeah, sure.
One away.
Okay.
We do one group shot and then I can.
Amy.
Have you guys done pics together yet?
पीछे थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ ना एक फोटो तो मैं आपके तो आप ले लो बाद में देख रहे हो टोपी लगा Thank you. Get a full length also a little bit. I get a solo picture. Yeah.
Can I get through?
Yeah, sure. Amy, get it. Please. समझ गया क्या कंधे पास just one solo picture of my hair. हाँ सही बात है कौन है बोलने वाला देखता क्या है वन फोटो खिलाता क्या तेरे को कंधे पे हाथ रखने के लिए खिलाता ना तेरे को भाई And before you leave, you can just do one of the backdrop when you're leaving. कान में हो जाए मेरा क्या? Thank you.
चलो. Okay, sure.
Hey, चलो. इधर से आएगा just wait here. ठीक पीछे आ जाए सब मिल जाए पीछे आ जाए आराम से
I'm gonna get Varun to call you right now and brief you on what's happened so far because it makes it kind of like yeah. Okay? Alright. Thank you. No, I know. You need to have
अच्छा पीछे देखो पीछे कोई है
For sure, please. Priya, can you please have one call immediately?
पीछे
Yes, we come here. We come here.
Finished.
Where? Yeah?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Go close.
How close?
Yeah, close.
Yeah. My camera is like
You want to put Got it?
the light. Hang on instant. I'm also coming in the picture.
Okay. The reflection you're getting it?
Yeah, I don't want my reflection to come. I think it's from that side. With this
Yeah?
You've taken a nice selfie.
We have to take selfie.
Come on.
Guys, please be careful. Just, yeah.
दादा चलो बैठियो 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 क्या ला रहा है तेरा रोहन
On my apps.
विधानी भाई थोड़ा पीछे
थोड़ा पीछे आ जाना पीछे नहीं यार
आप बैठो.
इधर हाँ किधर भाई अंगूठे अशिता की तरह दिख रही है ये वाले अशिता की तरह दिख रही है मोटी है इसके लिए नहीं थोड़ी शक्ल उसकी तरह मिल रही है थोड़ी राखी सावंत और ये अशिता फोटो मार
Yeah, she left.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Take a white.
ऊपर मत लेना खाली आगे लेके
Okay, start. Sachin sir, let us know about your association with
Well, first of all, thank you, Amy, and thank you, Meenakshi, Komal, for inviting me here. And I'm here to support them for whatever they do best. I think they're good at clothing. Meenakshi is good at her jewelry, and she happens to be my sister as well. So I'm here to support them, and I hope they get lots of success and lots of great future ahead.
Thank you. His stylist gave me this, Binal Shah. I'm like, okay, let me wear something different today.
Well, yes, it's called Secret. It's the name of the movie is called Secret, and hopefully it will come out in January. So I'm ready with it and looking forward to it.
Okay, Sachin, any Bollywood personality you admire most, जिनका आपको स्टाइल बहुत पसंद है?
Well, there are a lot of them. मतलब
And clothes. That's what we are here for.
सारे ही actors अपना अपना style carry करते हैं, but I think शाहरुख खान बहुत अच्छे दोस्त भी हैं मेरे. I think he has a very unique style. अपने आप का उनका एक aura है जो बहुत unique लगता है, जो पूरी दुनिया को अच्छा लगता है. I think he's good. And in actresses, I think Priyanka Chopra has been doing very well, and the way she's carrying herself and taking the name to the world, it's good.
आप चाहेंगे कभी शाहरुख के साथ आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर पाएं, ऐसा कुछ हो पाए?
Well, मेरी किस्मत होगी कि अगर मुझे वो मौका मिलेगा उनके साथ स्क्रीन पे शेयर करने का. बट आई थिंक फ़िलहाल हमारी फ्रेंडशिप बहुत अच्छी है, तो आई एम हैप्पी विद दैट. थैंक यू.
Yeah. Bites are done, right? No, why? Just your just picture.
नहीं उसका नहीं पता है. हाँ हाँ. One both of you. Shining गाना
You and Rahul.
एड्रेस है मतलब इक्विटी बुक किया है. बहुत पुरानी है.
Okay, make it with both of them.
This was the senior reporter over there. तो अभी पूरा ब्यूरो हैंडल करती है. मैं एक इवेंट पे हूँ. मैं थोड़ी देर में फ़ोन करूँगा. मैं थोड़ी देर में फ़ोन कर दूँगा. पहुँच गए. ओके.
And it's very royal. Yeah, it's like royalty.
एक मिनट आजा तो नहीं भाई सब नीचे बैठ जाओ भाई थोड़ा आगे पीछे आ जाओ थोड़ा आगे ओके एक मिनट रोलिंग
I've met Amy a couple of times, but sadly I would have never, like, I never got a chance to wear her clothes, and voila, I'm wearing her clothes today, and the most prettiest clothes that I've ever worn. The moment I entered, she told me that I look like a princess, and yes, I do look like a princess.
Okay, क्या सोचकर आपने ये ड्रेस डेजी के लिए सिलेक्ट
You know, Daisy has a very strong look. I think her personality comes out as a really vivacious yet a very level-headed woman. So somebody like ऐसे personality के लिए I think purple color was like quick option. Both of us just loved it, and gold and purple is a very lovely color for the festive season. और मीनाक्षी की jewelry is just adding, you know, वो सोने पे सुहागा. So it is like that.
Same time, like, you know, Amy की बात करें.
हाँ जी.
What's the best part you like as a designer?
she makes modern clothes, modern कपड़े भी बनाती है, इंडियन कपड़े भी बनाती है. मतलब आप जब स्टोर में वॉक इन करते हो तो मतलब आप दिमाग में ये सोच के नहीं आते कि नहीं मुझे अच्छा मुझे इंडियन कपड़े खरीदने तो मुझे इन्हीं के पास जाना चाहिए, मुझे वेस्टर्न कपड़े खरीदने तो मुझे इन्हीं के पास जाना चाहिए. सो शी हैज़ अ वैरायटी ऑफ एवरीथिंग विच इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग. सो वंस इफ यू वॉक इन टू द स्टोर यू योरसेल्फ आर कंफ्यूज्ड आप क्या खरीदने के आए थे.
What's the festival going on? What's the style mantra? Because everyone, what's the style mantra? Because everyone.
My style mantra, it's very simple. I love jeans and ganjis and slippers. I love slippers, पर नहीं पहन सकते. So yeah, Daisy is that way a very introvert person. She doesn't like going out much. She loves staying at home, staying with her dog. She loves playing with her dog all the time. So yeah, so that's me.
मैम आप बहुत सुंदर दिख रहे हैं.
Thank you.
तो आपको सुंदर का
राज मैंने सुना है लोग कहते हैं कि पानी बहुत पीना चाहिए क्योंकि वो स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज रखता है, हाइड्रेटेड रखता है. तो पानी बहुत पीती हूँ मैं. और वर्कआउट, यस मैं वर्कआउट मिस नहीं करती. मेरे डेली वर्कआउट्स जो होते हैं वो मैं रिलीजियसली फॉलो करती हूँ. स्वेट जो है वो भी बहुत हेल्प करता है स्किन को ग्लो करने में. Thanks.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.